Welcome back. Today we are delving into the importance of mobile optimization and how it's a must for your SEO success. Let's explore why having a mobile-friendly website is crucial and how to achieve it. In today's digital age, more and more people are using smartphones and tablets to access the internet. That's why having a mobile-friendly website is no longer a nice to have. It's a necessity. Here is why mobile optimization is a game changer for SEO. A mobile-friendly website ensures a positive user experience. It means your website looks and works great on smaller screens, leading to a longer user session and reduced bounce rates. When your visitors have a seamless experience, it sends a positive signal to search engines. Plus, Google uses mobile-first indexing, which means it primarily uses the mobile version of site to rank a page in search results. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, it could negatively impact your search engine rankings. Now, let's talk about how to make your website mobile-friendly. Responsive web design is your best friend. It automatically adjusts your site's layout to fit on a smaller screen, ensuring a consistent user experience. Optimize your images and videos for mobile. Large files can slow down your site, leading to a poor user experience. Finally, test your website on different devices and browsers to make sure it's working flawlessly.